Get outside, Kate. She wants to chase the sheep up. Right, we've come to the end of a long day and we want to get home as quick as possible. It should take me about 3.5 minutes to set up the standard unit and the three-way draft on the wheels. So here we go. Any jump rails back. Unlock the gates, take them off. Lift the race off, swing it to the side. Take the wings out because they get in the way on wheels. Along with the draft handles, we have to take them off because they won't allow the draft to sit on top of the handler. Draft out of the way, stand that up. Grab our wheels, put them between the tabs, just roughly look down there to line it up. Take your pin out, ready to put your drawbar in. Make sure you got your toe pulled the right way up. It doesn't work if you've got it upside down. Down there. A little bit of a push with your toe just to line it up. The hole will come into sight. Put the R pin in. And what we're going to do is put the draft on. Draft goes on over the handler. So what we're going to do is roll it and roll it and roll it until it's upside down on top of the handler. Once we get it in there, we just lift the drawbar a little bit. Okay. Grab the gate on this side and it just slides straight in there. Now, the approach race goes on to the pressure plate there. Use the wheel, the bottom end of the approach race over. Okay. All we're going to do is put the removable wall back on, remembering to lock the gates back on again. We don't want them bouncing off as you're racing home. On. All we've got to do is tie them on. If you've got a draft, you'll get 3 tie downs, okay? This tie down goes through the hole in the removable wall. There's a hole under the axle. Okay, now we'll put the one around the back. We have got some lay flat hose on the tie downs, or they'll be supplied with, to go over these sharp pieces here, okay? We'll just duck around the back here. Hook these on. Another bit of lay flat here. Make sure you're going around the roll parts of the RHS, no sharp bits or anything like that. Do the front one up first, otherwise the approach race will just slide down the front plate. Once we've got those two tight, then we can put the one over the top to hold the draft on. If you haven't purchased a draft, you'll probably only get 2 tie downs, and that's all there is to it. Now, the third tie down goes over there. Make sure you put the tips of your hooks well through the eyes so the hook doesn't fall off if it comes loose. Once again, just avoiding anything sharp. Notice that wall brace is back in the approach race. That stops the walls from getting squeezed. And then that's it. It might not be 3.5 minutes, but I'm showing you how to do it. Okay, now we can hook that onto a vehicle and we're gone.